Hey everybody, welcome back to the Mark Loeffler Experience. Guys, we got a great show for you today. You guys tell me if this was clickbait or not. I don't even know. I don't know. I'm old. What is clickbait anyways? So is the stock market a Ponzi scheme? First off, if you've been on this channel and you haven't subscribed, subscribe down below. Guys, crush that like button. Just hammer it. Hammer it like you have never hammered it. Let's get over 100 likes for this video. And by the way, I was on Alex Powell's Gain podcast the other day, and I said I would do Russian dancing on this channel when we get to 1,000 by the end of July. So if you want to see me do Russian dancing, definitely subscribe, turn on that notification bell. All right, let's get into it. Is the stock market a Ponzi scheme? We're in the middle of COVID right now. We have corporate bankruptcies. We have mass unemployment. We have so many different things, and we got the Nasdaq. It closed at 93.75, and the peak on it was in February at 97.82. So we're about 400 points away from the peak. At the bottom, just to let you know, it was 6,800. So we fell 3,000, so 33%, and we're back up. What? Another 28, not 29% since then. Like, guys, what is the unemployment rate in the U.S. now? Let's just look that up. So U.S. unemployment, nearly 39 million people have sought U.S. jobs aid since the pandemic began. 39 million. We're going to put up a chart here from what the Great Depression, but basically the economy came to a screeching halt. Now, I don't know if everybody is out there buying stocks on Robinhood with the money that they're getting from the government. I don't know, maybe they are. But for me, I'm a logical thinker. This doesn't make sense that the Nasdaq is 400 points down from its peak. Apple is almost at its all-time high. And their stores are closed. Now, I know they're shipping devices still and doing that, but did everybody go ahead and take that, the funds they got from the government and run out and buy a new iPhone? And they just said, this is free money. Let's go out and buy an iPhone. Maybe they did. Facebook, almost at an all-time high. Amazon, well, I can kind of see that one. More people are buying online. Netflix at an all-time high. More subscribers. But Google, same thing. But ad rates are down for Facebook and Google. They've said this, but more people are looking at it. Yet less people are advertising, right? I don't know, guys. This is what I'm questioning here. But my logical thinking says, well, I guess the biggest bull in the room is the Federal Reserve. They've spent over $6 trillion to date pumping up this economy, record low interest rates. They're doing treasury buybacks, $20 to $40 billion per day. They're buying corporate bonds. They're buying municipal bonds. Guys, they're propping this up. So if they, who knows? We got Donald there. He is the ultimate bull. He is the ultimate bull. So if Donald or something, this doesn't go through, and they stop pumping money into the economy, or they stop pumping money into the market, does this fall? The market seems like it's set up for the perfect comeback. So the perfect comeback, nothing is going to go wrong. Everything is going to go as planned. So, we're reopening. Everybody's going to get their jobs back who had lost their jobs. So by fourth quarter of 2020, there's going to be no issues. We're going to be good. Now, the pragmatist in me says, is that real? Well, let's just go on the Forbes website and who's filed for bankruptcy? We have J.C. Penney, we have Neiman's Marcus, stuff I've never even heard of. Bar Louie. I was talking to a rep from Bacardi, and this was in April, and fully 15% of his accounts have already told him they're not coming back. So these are bars, these are restaurants. I mean, these are a lot of jobs. And these are small businesses that aren't coming back. I mean, some of them aren't even that small. Aldo Group, they got 3,000 locations. I mean, these mall operators, when are they going to be able to open? Who knows, right? Like, it's just like, it's definitely a long list. I mean, Gold's Gyms filed for bankruptcy. J. Crew, McDermott International filed for bankruptcy. They're a huge commercial construction engineering firm. I think I said that, Neiman Marcus. Guys, but there's so many. I mean, look at Virgin Australia filed for bankruptcy. All these, I mean, the only way Boeing, these airlines, Air Canada, all these things like Delta, Southwest, only way they're still operating is because they're getting massive government bailouts. I mean, is this going to continue? I mean, Boeing already came out and said, we think one of the major airlines is going to go bankrupt. These are tens and hundreds of thousands of jobs. I mean, we're not even talking about the hotel industry. I mean, is travel going to be normal again? I mean, I know that when Carnival opened up cruise, they said they're going to start cruising again in August. I mean, they slashed rates, and I mean, they said they sold the most cruises they've ever have. I mean, maybe I'm wrong. I hope I am. I truly hope I am that, and I miss out maybe a little bit because, guys, I'm 90% cash right now sitting on the market. I'm kind of waiting. Like, this is kind of scaring me again. Like, I'm getting that hair up on the back of my neck like the end of January. I'm like, guys, this just doesn't feel right. Something doesn't feel right. Are we, I don't know, I'm not going to get into, are we opening too soon? Are we doing this? Are we doing that? I think we need to reopen. I mean, I think we got to get out there and resume normal activity. I mean, we're pricing in the market that the vaccine has already been found and everybody's been vaccinated, and this never happens again, or I mean, on a very small scale. Yet, guys, I mean, to me, this is scary. I mean, Dow Jones, I mean, the peak was just a little bit over 29,500. We're at 24,500 right now, so we are 4,000. And so the Dow Jones isn't up as much as the Nasdaq. I mean, the Nasdaq is totally all the fangs. So Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Google, like these are really propping this up. I mean, but we went down to 18,500, so we're like 25% or 30% above what the bottom is. We're pricing in a perfect recovery. I don't think anything ever goes perfectly. I mean, do we have a second round of this? Do we have following restrictions? I don't know, guys. I know in the States, you guys, like a lot of gyms are open, restaurants are open. You guys are going back full steam. I mean, up here in Canada, like gyms are still closed, restaurants are still closed. I mean, we just started reopening a bunch of stuff. And I mean, hopefully things go good and, we can all go get tested. I've talked to a lot of people about this, a lot of smart people. Some people say, hey, we think we had it in December. We think this has been around a little bit longer. I mean, who knows? I'm one guy making YouTube video, guys. I mean, I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I invest in the stock market. I invest in real estate. So, I mean, listen to me. Don't put your comments down below. I'd love to hear that. I mean, I think this is a pretty controversial topic. I think it's a great topic to discuss. Let's discuss. Put it down in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and views, what you think is happening, what resources you're looking at. I mean, I'm doing this to gain as much knowledge as I'm giving. So help me with more resources. Put them down below, comment down below, like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.